Okay, this is not a dash cam. This is going to be a bitch cam. I bought these Our Finest cheddar smoked, bacon wrapped, little hors d'oeuvre things. And I thought, oh, that'd be good for lunch. I ate about 4 or 5 of them, and I can't taste any cheese. So I cut it open. Can you see that tiny little line in there? That's where the cheese is. It's probably some no-name, crap, non-flavored cheese. But yeah, that's it. Tiny, tiny, tiny little sliver, like you put Cheese Whiz on, or even, I think a Kraft single would do a better job for the cheese, but that's what the little line is. So, Our Finest? I don't think so. It's more like our worst.